Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I'll teaching you how to create a temporary Instagram account. So the first thing you need to do, and that is very important, is to make sure your Instagram app on your cell phone was updated, okay? And it's important to say that works for any device you have, your iPhone, your Android, or on your computer. So don't worry about that. Right here in your Instagram, if you try to create a temporary Instagram account, you can do that, okay? And the reason of that is because it's impossible. The Instagram don't have any official feature who allow you to create a temporary Instagram account, okay? If you wanted to have basically a temporary Instagram account, you need to create a normal Instagram account and after that delete that account, okay? Because the Instagram don't have any option to create a temporary account. I hope I can help with that information. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe in your channel and hit the like button. See ya!